Yo, it's like my third video in this bitch, you know what I'm saying? But I was just thinking, bro, like, fast food, bro, has really fallen off, bro. And it's like I've been knew that, but like lately, this shit is like damn near unedible, bro. I can feel it just like actually trying to kill me, bro. There's no type of nutrition, bro. Wendy's ass, Chick-fil-A ass, McDonald's ass, all this shit is ass, bro. And I'm starting to realize all this processed food shit, bro, is like, I don't even want to eat this shit no more. It's just, that should be cheap, but I'm not even wasting my money on that shit, bro. So I'm going to be learning how to cook, you feel me? And I may start posting some cooking videos in this bitch. I don't know how to cook for shit, though. I don't know. I just really thought about that shit. Like, bro, I got Whataburger last night. That shit was all right, but I got chicken strips. And them shits were low-key not even that good. I don't see how people get Whataburger chicken strips. But Wendy's, bro, I had that shit, bro. I took one bite and I was done with that shit, bro. I'm done with fast food, bro. I don't know. But, hey, let me know what I should learn to cook, you feel me? Drop some ideas or let me know what the fuck I should try to do, you feel me? I'm trying to get right in the kitchen. But yeah, little short video, you know what I'm saying?